If you find that you need to add a subgrouping to a report, you can easily do that by going into the edit view of your report. And when that design view opens, we'll easily subgroup our data. For the report that we're opening, I'm going to subgroup by car make. You can see I've already separated my data or grouped it by lot code. So now I want to dissect my data further to see what types of vehicles I'm selling at each lot. So to do that, I'm going to come over to the detail section, click on detail, and then click on add section, group header. Now to group by something, you do have to sort by it first. So if you don't see it in this list, you need to go into your report options menu, select sorts, and sort by the data field that we're grouping. So I'm going to select car make, and now you can see I have a subgroup in my report for car make. I'm going to merge my fields by holding the shift button down, clicking the first cell of my row, and then I'm going to move over and highlight the last cell in my row, all while holding my shift button down. Then I'm going to click merge cells. I'm going to come back over to the left, and I want a physical notation that I've separated my data. I know I have because I have my subgroup here, but if I physically want to see that, then I can easily search my category list on the left and find the data field used in my subgrouping. In this case, it would be car make. And I can either highlight and click add, I can double click, or I can drag the data field into my subgroup row. I'm going to go one step further and give this a little color so we can see it stand out when we preview our report. So I've added a subgroup of car make to my report. So now the data will run based on each lot code, and then within that lot code group, I will then see a subgroup for each car make that was sold. I'm going to go ahead before we preview and show you how to add the subgroup footer in case you need one. And to do that, you just click detail again, add section, and this time select group footer. I'm going to go in my list and select the car make sort again. And this time you can see I now have a subgrouping for car make as a footer. This way I can easily summarize and get totals for car make within each lot. So let's preview what we have. When the filter window comes up, as always, you can change or add filters if necessary. I think we're good. So when that comes up, I'll just go ahead and click OK. And we'll get a preview of our subgrouped report data. This is going to begin with lot 1, so you can see on lot 1 I've sold a Buick. And then as I move through the report, you can see for lot 2 I've sold a Fisker and a GMC. On lot 3 I have a Nissan, and then I'm going to skip to lot 5 where we've sold a Cadillac and a couple or 3 Chevrolets. So that's how you add a subgrouping to a report.